a package. Let's see here. Balisong. This out of the way. All bubble wrap. Ooh, look at that nice case. Oh my gosh. It's got a balisong stand right there. Let's see. Look at that. Yes. Let's get into it. Let's see. Oh my gosh. That is so sick. Look at this. We're going to put that aside for now. Let's go ahead and check out some of the goodies. Let's see here. Yes. So this is something all the YouTubers are talking about. Their tool that they make is so sick. Oh, yes. Okay. So all your little bits are in here for the knife. Are they magnetic as well? That's sick. Yes, they're magnetic bits too, as you can see. And they just go on the bottom there. Heck yeah. That's really cool. I see a lot of people raving about that. We have a little EMF lady. Some custom lady band-aids if you cut yourself on accident, it looks like. And then we just have a rag for the knife. We'll keep that in there. That's some sweet stuff though. Let's go ahead and look at the knife here. I really love that it comes with the case. It makes it it feels so much better. Let's see here though. I think we could just rip it. Let me grab some scissors. And I could not find scissors. Let's just get this guy open. Yes, okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. Little sound test. Yes, okay, so I got the reverse Tonto blade, so let's open it up first. There we go, look at that edge. Wow. And there's like a little oil on there, so I think they lubed it up. It's a little weird because when it's closed, it's gonna look like you're holding it backwards. But let's get, oh my goodness. This thing feels like premium. Oh my gosh. That's pretty sick.